Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot create account error description not available. For example, if you try to create account on your iPhone of Apple or Apple ID on your iPhone, then you see this kind of error while creating the account. So how you can fix that? So there are many reasons behind that error. So if you want to fix that error, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper and strong Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn off. And after turning it off, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer reset iPhone, and after that you have to click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your network settings, then you have to simply again try for to create that account. If the problem is still there, then there may be many reasons behind it, and one of the reason is that you have already created too many Apple IDs on your iPhone, and only because iPhone only provides Apple provides only limited number of Apple free Apple IDs on your iPhone, and your free Apple IDs have been already created, and you cannot create many Apple IDs on this iPhone. So what you have to do, you have to simply create another Apple ID on another iPhone, which is available to create account, and you can simply sign in here, and after that you can simply use your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.